Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft, and I'm an independent up demonstrator. Now, I don't know whether you saw my Jess 2 card, but what I did there, I was showing Jess how to find out what the true colour is. Well, what I thought I'd do, I thought, oh, that's a good idea, Wendy. Why don't you do that? So now I've done them on a piece of the basic white and also on the Very Vanilla. Whoops, there you go. No, that's the wrong one. And you can see here how much different they've come out. And I've got a daylight bulb, daylight light above me, and you can see there that there's quite a bit of difference. But there is, I don't know about you, but I can see quite a bit of difference in those. So if you ever want to know how the colour's going to look on your cards, do a little swatch there. Right, that's enough of the sciencey bit. Yeah. Sorry about that. A friend of mine the other day asked me to make her 8 cards. 4 for a man and 4 for a woman. So I thought, what can I do? I put them all over there now when I need these out here, don't I? Just sometimes I'm such a muppet. I really am. Right. What I thought I'd do is, I'm going to do the male ones first, okay? I'm going to use one stamp set, and it's this one, Very Versailles. I love this stamp set. I saw it on Pinterest, crumbs, quite a while ago. And I thought I've got to have that stamp, but I finally got around to buying it about 6 months ago, I think it was. Maybe longer. I don't know where time goes to. It's terrible, isn't it? So I'm going to use one stamp set and 4 cards. Hopefully not get, well, no, they won't. None of them will be the same, like the same. They won't all look the same. Just testing these blocks because it's, and underneath here, as you can see, I've got my Stampin' Up desk tidy. Just so I keep my desk tidy for a change, that's all. Now then, let's feel these, see if I've got them. No, that one's the wrong way round. Tell you what I'm feeling for. I really don't know. No, I don't think it's catching it. There's a lip there. And what you're going to do, you're going to smooth that lip down. You won't go on anymore. Right, you can see glitter everywhere because I was making some cards for a dear friend today, and I covered them in glitter, but also covered myself in glitter, so that's nothing new, is it? Right, I'm going to take these are the, oh dear me, I don't know what I think it's quite warm here today as well, so it's maybe a touch of hay fever, but I don't know, I'm falling to pieces, so it doesn't matter. I'm using, now this is going to be interesting to see. I'm using the 5 new in colours for 2021-2022. And they are Soft Succulent, Fresh Freesia, Polished Pink, Papaya, and Evening Evergreen. Phew. That's good. It's been worrying. I never got it all over me. So, right, I'm going to start down there with a script. Don't do that to me. Look, you've got to stick there. Now I've got to put it on there now. If you do get a problem with your stamps not sticking onto your block, what I have been known to use, I've got some somewhere, some of the, there's Pritt sticks, I don't know what else, little glue sticks, and then you go it on the back and bong. It's stamped. Right, I've got the script. I'm going to take that off because these are going to be the. Now, do you remember? You just want little taps. You don't want great big walloping what. Now, it doesn't matter. I'm going to turn that way. It doesn't matter if this comes out a bit not all there, if you know what I mean, because that is the effect that I've wanted for the cards. It's been beautiful here today, absolutely beautiful. Here we go, got that one. And I'm going to use a little bit of this as well. I'm going to have that. Just peep it out the top there. There we go, and I've left space down there for the sentiments. That's one done. No, yes, I'm going to clean this one now. There we are, all clean. Well, apart from that little bit, but anyhow. Right, so that's one done. Now this one, I'm going to use this one. You can go there for me because I'll need you in a minute. And as it happens, this little one comes out of the house, so you can use that one as well. So I know this is for a gentleman, but we can use the different greens. I mean, I've known men to wear pink, purple shirts and all sorts. I mean, never judge the... I'm going to say this. Don't have... Oh, I can't think of the word now, but, you know, don't presume that because you're doing a male card, you don't have to use, or you don't need to use pink and stuff, because, well, we can. Now, this one I'm using is a soft succulent, and I'm just going to go stamp it off a bit. You get that off, because I don't want that covered in it, do I? Because that's going to be a different one again. What I'm going to do then, I'm going to put it all together, and then you'll see, I don't know whether I'll get it done tonight or not, but you'll see then what the other piece, because I don't think I've got enough time today to actually show you the full process. So it's going to be card number 2. Right, now there's that one and that one. I'm going to close this one a minute. Now then, what shall we use? What shall purple, I think. I'll leave that green out because I think I want a bit of purple and green. Look, favourite colour, purple. Now then, what am I going to use for this? Where's my stamping block gone? Yeah, I'll use that one, I think. I know I've used it once, but it can be used again, can't it? So we're going to go purple with this one. Again, glitter over everything, but hey ho, doesn't matter, does it? I'm going to put one bit there. Whoops, don't press too hard, Wendy. There. And then, oh, this is fun. I like this, this is fun. Do you buy the stamp off? Where's that the bit gone? Got this one. That's going to do a little bit of green. Bunny hops. I'm going to put one there. One there. And that's card number 3. Right, and have I got that? Nope, that's fine. I haven't got that sort. Right, I just used that? I did, didn't I? So I don't really want to use that one again. What does this one say? Always thinking of you. Now, that's going to be an interesting one, isn't it? Where's my block gone? What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to stamp, get the right way round. I'm going to stamp on and stamp off. And I'm being brave. Now I'm going to keep that green in because that just calms it all down. Right. We just go, oops. Doesn't matter what direction you're going in. It doesn't matter if it doesn't come out right. Just give it a go. Right, I'm going to close this. I'm going to open this pinky one. So I'll clean them. I'm going to do this there. But it doesn't matter if these overlap either. And if you do make a boo-boo, like I've done there, don't worry, because we'll put thing over the top of that. Right, so there's that colour. Just going to tap it off. Green I was going to go into, wasn't it? And the green one, I'm going to have the little one, Have a Beautiful Day. Change my block. I said, it's all higgledy-piggledy. Don't worry about lines and tidiness. There we go. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch off, put these all together, and then I'll take a picture of them all to see what they all look like. Okay, see you soon. Bye.